We're here at Sage Creek Cottage again today, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about flooring. Obviously, everybody's been to a flooring store. There are so many products out there, thousands and thousands. So where do we start and why? Well, at Northridge Homes, our base product is a laminate floor. We have quite a few colors and a couple different brands that starts at our base, but we choose one that's got a very durable wear surface as well as a foam back on it to keep it quiet and not get that plasticky sound. So we don't start at the bottom of laminate. We start a couple steps up where you have a real nice floor that's a good buy for your money. Hardwood used to be what we did in a lot of our homes, but hardwood, it's hard to find a good wood anymore. It's just, the timber's just not there to give a good hardwood floor. We still install it on some homes, but again, it's really hard to find a good hardwood that isn't going to shrink and create cracking in your floor. So from here, now we do have upgrades to a pre-engineered wood. We have upgrades in our laminate, and you can go as high as you want. But we start here just because it's a good solid product, the durability and the ease of cleaning, and we believe it's a great place to start for a customer. Now, the laminate goes through most of our rooms. We're in the den here, goes through the hallway, den, etc. And then we have choices in your bathroom that start with vinyl. You can have LVP, which is a rubber floor, and you can go up to tile. That's also a great option. Obviously, then in the bedrooms and areas like that, we have carpet. Carpet, we start with a good medium grade carpet, and then there's you can step up as high as you like there. So one of the other standards in our carpet is we go with an 8-pound pad, no 6-pound pad in our homes. 8-pound is our standard. We just try to provide our customer with a good solid product for their money. So one of the things to know too about your flooring is how it stages properly, right? So different flooring comes at different stages in the project. Obviously it's all towards the end, but it needs to coordinate with the installation of doors and base and etc. So like for instance here at Sage Creek Cottage, we have vinyl flooring in a couple of the bathrooms, and that was installed first. The areas where that vinyl floor was installed, then the cabinets are installed on top of the vinyl and the doors are installed on top of the vinyl. Now in areas where the laminate is, we actually install the doors first, and then the door gets undercut so that the laminate will slide right under the door jamb and have a nice fit and allow the floor to expand and contract. The same thing, this laminate floor was installed before this base was put on, and that allows us to have an expansion joint, if you will, around the outside of the room so the floor can expand and contract and not have any heave points, and then the base can be fit right on top of the floor and give you a nice finished look. Now the last piece that goes in is the carpet, and so all of the other finishes will get done, and then the carpet will come in. In this case, it'll be here in a couple days, and the carpet gets stretched and tucked under the existing base that will be installed before the carpet. So there's some staging and planning that has to happen to get all your finishes installed at the right place at the right time.